Hello friends. Nowadays, job searching has become very difficult. It's like a full-time job. Firstly, in the morning, wake up, check your WhatsApp. Did anyone has given me any kind of reference? Had anyone checked my resume? Secondly, while you are scrolling through your LinkedIn profile, you feel that everyone is getting their dream job, but you remain tensed whole day long. And your mama keeps asking, Beta, how your interview went? You also keep answering, Mama, interview went very well. But you know deep down that even I of the interview didn't go well. This is the scenario. Sometimes I feel that the time of 1990 was very perfect. There used to be a wanted ad and also the job details in the below with the address. We go to the address, give the interview and get the job. But today in 2025 there are ample number of websites. For that we get confused. Hello everyone, this is Navamita and I am your career educator. You are watching my YouTube channel Enlighten with Navamita. In this video I am going to talk about 3 top websites where you can find your dream job. Look, if you have studied with the degree of BA, BCom, BSc, BTech or even MBA, then for you the first very popular website is Naukri.com. Here you can create your free account, you can search job for free, even you can update your resume a little bit here. But if you go for the paid service in Naukri.com, then the chances of getting job will be increased and also you can get 3 or 4 more features over here. If you have money and you are searching job aggressively, then it is suggested please go for the paid account in Naukri, technology, marketing, management and consulting. If you want to go for this job area, then the second website is LinkedIn. Everything free for this website. But if you go for the premium account, then extra advantage you will get, that is you can directly message to the HR of the organization or employer. But it doesn't impact much. For LinkedIn, you should make a very strong profile and you should update your nice profile picture with every document, your certificate, degree and descriptions. You must request and send mail or message to the HR of the organization in a good manner, and you should apply all the jobs which is available. If you have any doubt, please comment me in the comment box. The name of the last website is Indeed.com. Everything is also same here except 2 things, that is you can get a clear idea of the salary data in this website, that how much salary you will get if you will apply for the job, and also you can get the review of the organization where employee is used to give the review of the company, whether you have to go for this organization or not, you can come to know. So if you will get the idea of salary data and company review, then you can go for the Indeed.com. If you want to get the entire job details, then you can go for the Naukri.com. And if you want to directly communicate with the HR and the company employer, then you can go for LinkedIn.com. So work hard at least 3 to 4 months and you will get your dream job. Lastly, if you want to search for technician, driver, delivery boy, office assistant, this kind of job, then you can go for the Work India and Apna app. Whatever you do, please let me know in the comment box. I will meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.